Welcome to Explore Fran. Today, we're diving into the lesser-known, yet undeniably fascinating side of Timothée Chalamet. From surprising acts of generosity to endearing childhood quirks, there's so much more to this Hollywood star than meets the eye. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this journey through the life of one of today's most intriguing actors. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop on more incredible stories like this. We knew Timothée Chalamet was a talented actor, but who knew he was so generous? Back in 2019, during the premiere of The King, one of his more underrated films, Chalamet surprised his fans in the most wholesome way. As fans gathered to catch a glimpse of their favorite star, Chalamet turned up with bags of fresh, delicious bagels. It wasn't just a sweet snack. It was a heartwarming gesture to thank those who stood in line all day just to support him. Now that's how you show love to your fans. Do you remember Timothée's role in Interstellar? Fun fact. In the movie, he had to drive a pickup truck through a field. The catch. At the time, Chalamet didn't even have a driver's license. Enter Matthew McConaughey, who stepped in to coach him through the scene. Surprisingly, it wasn't until Beautiful Boy in 2018 that Chalamet finally learned to drive. Better late than never, right? Talk about life imitating art. When it comes to sitcoms, many of us hold The Office close to our hearts. And guess what? So does Timothée Chalamet. As a kid, he binge-watched the iconic mockumentary, developing a full-blown obsession. Fast forward to Beautiful Boy, where Chalamet found himself on set with Steve Carell and Amy Ryan, both of whom starred in The Office. Can you imagine meeting your idols on a professional set? Chalamet admitted he was nervous. Adorable, right? Even stars have their fan moments. Timothée's career may have skyrocketed in recent years, but did you know his screen debut happened way back in 2009? He appeared on Law & Order as a young boy in a haunting episode titled Pledge. It was a small role, but every great actor has to start somewhere. From there, he moved on to films like Interstellar and Beautiful Boy, proving his incredible range and dedication to his craft. Now, let's talk about Chalamet's upcoming role in Wonka. Director Paul King didn't even audition him for the part. Why? Because he already knew Chalamet could sing and dance. If you've seen Chalamet's old High School Musical videos, you know this guy has some serious moves. We're willing to bet those rapping videos played a role in landing the part too. What can't this guy do? Lastly, here's a little throwback to middle school Chalamet. Believe it or not, he didn't make the basketball team. Instead, he ended up being the school mascot. While wearing the costume wasn't exactly glamorous, Chalamet embraced the role. And he's joked that if acting doesn't work out, he might give it another shot. Thankfully, for all of us, his acting career is doing just fine. Timothée Chalamet's story reminds us that the path to success is full of twists and turns, with moments that make us smile, laugh, and admire his journey. If you love learning about Timothée's inspiring and quirky side, don't stop here. There's plenty more where that came from. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Who's your favorite celebrity? And what surprising fact do you know about them? We can't wait to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Explore Fran.